As we stand at the threshold of a new year, many of us face it with mixed emotions. The joy and excitement of new beginnings are tempered by the pain of loss. For those who've lost loved ones in 2024, the holiday season or special occasions can be a bittersweet reminder of what's no longer there. It's okay to feel the weight of their absence. It's okay to grieve. But as we reflect on the memories we shared with them, let's also remember the lessons they taught us, the laughter we shared, and the love they showed us. These are the things that will carry us forward, that will give us the strength to keep moving, even when it feels like the darkest of times. You see, our loved ones may be gone, but their legacy lives on through us. They'd want us to keep pushing forward, to chase our dreams, to live our lives to the fullest. They'd want us to find happiness again, to love again, to laugh again. So, as we step into a new year, let's make a promise to ourselves and to those. Let's promise to honor their memory by living our lives with purpose, with passion, and with determination. Let's use the pain of their loss to fuel our growth, to drive us towards our goals, and to make a difference in the world. Remember, you possess a strength that surpasses your perception. You embody a bravery that transcends your feelings. You have the capacity to conquer any obstacle that crosses your path. So, take a deep breath, straighten your shoulders, and let's embark on this new year together, fortified by our resilience. Let's make 2025 a year of hope, of healing, and of triumph. Let's rise above our pain and find a way to shine. Let's make our loved ones proud, and let's make ourselves proud. As we journey into a new year, always mindful to live our lives with intention, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. Here are some of those who left us in 2024.